Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to disable printing in Microsoft Edge on Windows 10. Type gpedit.msc in Windows search bar. Edit Group Policy. Click and expand Administrative Templates. Click and expand Windows Components. Click Microsoft Edge. Double-click to open Allow Printing. Click Disabled. Click Apply, OK. Close and exit Group Policy Editor. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.